A very good morning to one and all. Myself Mubina. I am going to present about effects of air pollution on human beings. First, to know about air pollution, we need to know the definition of pollution. The presence in the environment of a substance which has harmful or poisonous effects is called as pollution. There are many types of pollutions: noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, etc. Now we are going to discuss about air pollution. The presence of unwanted material in the air present in such a quantity which affects the organism directly or indirectly is called air pollution. As you can see in this picture, air pollution is caused by the release of smoke from different industries, factories, accidents in industries, agricultural activities, deforestation, etc. There are many effects of air pollution on human beings. As you can see in this picture, human beings are affected severely by air pollution. Like they get skin damage, reproductive system damage, intestinal damage, bone damage, etc. The presence of sulfur dioxide in the air causes asthma, bronchitis, and eye irritation. The nitrogen oxides can cause respiratory illness among the children. Carbon monoxide is a very toxic gas and it combines with hemoglobin of blood and reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Peroxyl acetyl nitrate causes irritation of skin, nose, eyes, and throat. It may also cause cancer. Coal miners normally suffer with black lung disease. Black lung disease occurs when coal dust is inhaled. When they are continuously exposed to the coal dust, it causes scarring in the lungs, impairing your ability to breathe. Asbestos workers suffer with pulmonary fibrosis. Pulmonary fibrosis is a group of serious lung diseases that affect the respiratory system. Pulmonary fibrosis scares and thickens the lung tissues. Stone crushers suffer with silicosis caused by powder of stones. Silicosis is a type of pulmonary fibrosis. Tetraethyl lead is used in the petrol for the control of ignition. Most of traffic policemen suffer with lead poisoning. Lead has a detrimental effect on children's brain and development. This affects the children in their behavior issues or intellectual disability. In pregnant ladies, the toxic of lead causes the development in the fetus. It affects the development of the fetus in pregnant women. As you can see in this picture, due to the effect of air pollution, human beings causes skin irritation, cancer, headache, fatigue, respiratory illness, etc. Hydrocarbons cause much irritation to the mucous membrane. Excess of hydrocarbons increase of mucus secretions, as a result of which respiratory tracts are blocked and the man coughs regularly. Arsenic dust from processing industries causes arsenosis or skin cancer. So, these are the effects of air pollution on human beings. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.